But let's cross over to Nyeri, where the county government has banned food hawking and ordered for inspection of food courts and hotels after an outbreak of cholera there. Martin Munene is joining us live from that area right now in Nyeri. Martin, good morning. It's good to see you there. How bad is the situation?
All right, very good morning to you, Trevor, from Nyeri County. First, I must say that according to health officers, they have not received any case of cholera yet, but they say that Nyeri County is actually very likely to actually have cases related to that particular disease. And therefore, the county government of Nyeri has moved and banned all food hawking within Nyeri town and across the towns in this particular county. And at the same time, the government has ordered a fresh inspection of hotels across the county. The county government of Nyeri has been saying that there has been cases of cholera reported across the country, or in 5 counties other than Nyeri, and therefore it is very likely that this particular county will also be affected, and therefore they moved with speed to ensure that they curb the food hawking business in this particular county, so that they can be able to prevent this particular incidents. At the same time, the county government of Nyeri has also put hospitals and medical practitioners on high alert to be just ready to receive any cases that may be brought to them with people, or any patient who may come to them with symptoms related to cholera. Or at the same time, the county government of Nyeri has asked the members of the public to be very, very keen, and if they see or suspect any person to be suffering from this particular disease, they should not only take the patients to the hospitals, but they should also actually report the same to health officials other than in the hospitals, to ensure that this particular or this particular county does not get these cases. At the same time, the county government of Nyeri has said that if anyone in Nyeri County does not have access to clean water, or they do not receive water that is actually clean, they can actually access tablets or what they need to actually clean the water from the county free of charge. And therefore water treatment drugs or chemicals are available to any resident of Nyeri who finds themselves unable to access clean water. However, as much as this has been happening, as traders, of course, are up in arms, saying that it's unfair, and they are saying that it has not, it had not been communicated clearly to them, and therefore they are saying that 1 week to people going back, or to their children going back to schools, they are now having to look for other ways of earning a living, and therefore they are saying it's an unfair move. And as much as it's well intended, they say that it's affecting them negatively. They do not have any other work or any other jobs, and therefore they do not know where to go or what to do for them to be able to earn. However, a section of residents are supporting the move, saying that it's a good move, and if it's going to ensure that the county does not have cases of cholera, then it is a well-intended move, and they support it. However, traders are still not convinced that it's a good move. They say that if the county government suspects that there could be cases, their work should be to go around inspecting the hotels, and also go around and ensure that the food being hawked across the town is actually clean and not contaminated, instead of just a blanket ban that forbids any of the traders to actually engage in business, for they say that they're going to be suffering and they do not have any other source of income. So far, I can say, Trevor, as I conclude, we have not yet received any cases of or any patient who's appeared in hospitals with the symptoms of cholera, but the county government has said that it is very, very likely that there could be an outbreak unless this ban remains until such a time that they feel that it is safe to lift the ban. Back to you in studio from Nyeri County, I'm Martin Munene.
Thanks, Martin. That's Martin Munene with a very comprehensive analysis of the fears of cholera outbreak in Nyeri. However, like he said, there's still no case that has been reported. Most of the traders are saying it's unfair. The ban is coming at a time when schools are about to reopen, so they don't have any other way of making a living there. What we know is that the county government has banned food hawking and ordered for inspection of food courts and hotels as well.